Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 11-12, subject are mathematics, first paper, chapter name trigonometric ratios, exercise 6b, lecture 2. Today's lesson: to draw the graph of trigonometric functions. At first we have to know what is circular function. Here follow the equation of a circle x square plus y square equal to 1 of unit radian is satisfied by the point sin theta cos theta. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta this equal to 1, that's mean when we will put x is equal to sin theta and y is equal to cos theta, we will get sin square theta plus cos square theta, and we know the relation sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So the equation of circle will be satisfied by using this point. Clear? So when theta, that's mean angle, is measured in radian, the trigonometric functions, that's mean sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta, etc. are called circular function. And in my previous lecture I had explained a radian. Okay. Now domain and range of a circular function. At first we have to know what is domain and what is range. Domain means a value can be put or used in a given function. This is a domain. And range will be the output of this function. That's mean after putting the domain will get range. That's mean output of this function. This is a range. Okay. The domain of the function sin theta and cos theta is the set of real numbers, because we can use any values of real number in sin theta and cos theta, but range will be -1 to 1. That's mean maximum value of sin theta and cos theta will be +1 and minimum value will be -1, and other value will be between -1 to +1. That's mean 0 or 0.5 or 0.1 or 0.2 or 0.34 or 0.87, etc. Okay, here huge number of present here. That's mean here huge number are present. Clear? Infinite number. That's mean 0.1, 0.001, 0.0001. All are within -1 to +1. Okay. But range mean here maximum value 1, minimum value -1. Clear? Now tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. When cos theta equal to 0, the fraction, that's mean this equal to tan theta, so tan theta will be undefined. And also when cos theta is equal to 0, that's mean 1 by 0, this equal to undefined. Undefined mean the value cannot be determined, or what will be the value we don't know. This is undefined. That's mean the value cannot be determined. But when cos theta equal to 0, that's mean tan theta and sec theta are undefined, and we know a relation. Cos theta this equal to 0, theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to integer. Only for cos 90 degree this equal to 0? No. when you put any value of n belongs to integer in here, for all values of theta will be cos theta is equal to 0. That's mean when here n is equal to 0, 2 into 0 plus 1, that's mean 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 mean 1, 1 into pi by 2 mean pi by 2. So pi by 2, when you put theta is equal to pi by 2, cos pi by 2 mean 0. But when n is equal to 1, so here will be 2, here will be plus 1, so 2 plus 1 means 3. So 3 into pi by 2, 3 into pi by 2, by using calculator you can easily find out the value of cos 3 pi by 2, this also equal to 0. Or when n is equal to minus 1, here will be minus into pi by 2, and cos of minus pi by 2, this equal to, we know, cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2, this also equal to 0. Okay, and you will know detail when you will solve higher mathematics. Exercise 7, trigonometric equation. Clear? Now just you know the relation. When cos theta is equal to theta, theta is equal to 2 n plus 1 into pi by 2. And I explained some points or some values of n. Cos of this equal to 0. Clear? Therefore, domain of tan theta will be all real number other than this. That's mean we can write like this way. Okay, and after putting this value, we'll get real numbers. That's mean output real number. So range will be real number. Similarly, domain of sec theta is equal to r minus same. Domain of tan theta and sec theta same, but range will be all value other than minus 1 to 1. That's mean range will be x less than or equal to 1 or x greater than or equal to 1. When you draw a number line, the value greater than or equal to 1, that will be range, and also the value less than or equal minus 1, this is a range. Clear? Also cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, and cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. When you put sin theta is equal to 0, the fraction will be undefined. That's mean cot theta will be undefined. Here also when you put sin theta is equal to 0, cosec theta will be undefined. Clear? Again, when sin theta is equal to 0, we can write theta is equal to n pi, where n belongs to integer. That's mean when theta is equal to, you will put 0, sin theta is equal to 0. When n is equal to 1, that's mean here will be n is equal to 1 mean pi, sin pi this also equal to 0. When n is equal to 2, sin 2 pi this also equal to 0. This is a general form. Okay, or not only theta is equal to 0, sin of 0 this equal to 0, sin of pi also equal to 0, sin of 2 pi this equal to 0, sin of minus pi this equal to 0, sin of minus 2 pi this equal to 0, sin of minus 3 pi this also equal to 0. That's means general form will be theta is equal to n pi. Okay, so domain of cot theta will be all real number other than n pi, where n belongs to integer, and range will be real number. And domain of cosec theta and cot theta will be same, but range will be same of sec theta. That's mean r minus in the interval minus 1 to 1. That's mean we can write like this way. Clear everyone? That are important for MCQ and also for Viva. So you have to practice more and more. Clear? Now period of a trigonometric function. At first we have to know the definition of periodic function, and also have to know the period. Okay, a function f is periodic or periodic function if there exists a number p such that f of x plus p is equal to f of x for all x. The smallest possible value of p is the period. Follow here sin x. When you put instead of x 2 pi plus x or 4 pi plus x or 6 pi plus x, will get always sin x. That's mean f of x. Clear? But here 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, which one is smallest? Here 2 pi is the smallest, so period will be 2 pi. By definition, the smallest possible value of p. That's mean this, not 4 pi or 6 pi. Clear? This is a period. So sin x is a periodic function of period 2 pi. Similarly, cos x, this is also equal to, we can write like this way. Okay, and 2 pi is the smallest value of p. So 2 pi is also period of periodic function cos x. Clear? Therefore, sin x and cos x are periodic functions of period 2 pi. Similarly, it can be shown that cosec x and sec x are periodic functions of period 2 pi. Clear? Again, tan x, this equal to this, and cot x, this also equal to this. That's mean here p is equal to smallest value of p, this equal to pi. So pi is the period of the function tan x and cot x. Clear? And that are also important for MCQ, and this type of math we'll have in the exam. Problem activity: find the period of cosec 5x. The process, you have to let y is equal to cosec 5x, this equal to cosec 5x plus 2 pi, because cosec 5x and cosec 5x plus 2 pi, these are same. Okay, as period of cosec x, this equal to 2 pi, so we have to add 2 pi. Now take common 5, here will be x plus 2 pi by 5. Always we have to free x, and now period of cosec 5x will be 2 pi by 5. Clear? As this is not cosec x, here cosec 5x, so period will be 2 pi by 5, and this equal to, we can write this. Therefore period of cosec 5x is 2 pi by 5. Clear everyone? Now problem 1. Draw the graph of function y is equal to sin x in the range minus 180 degree to plus 180 degree. That are very important. Solution: in the following table, the corresponding values of y equal to sin x have been found out for different values of x in the range this. That's mean here will be minus 180 degree to plus 180 degree. Here will be minus. Okay, and that table will be like this. By using calculator, you can find the value. Here x is equal to 0. That means sin 0 degree, this equal to 0. As the given range given in the unit degree, so we have to use degree. but when here given the unit in radian, we have to use radian. Clear? As given here is degree, so we have to use degree. Always remember this. So sine 0 degree this equal to 0, sine 10 degree this equal to plus 0.17, and sine minus 10 degree this equal to minus 0.17. And like this we have to find the others values, and you will get this value. Okay, clear? By using calculator you will make a table, no problem. Now take a graph paper in which the line x prime be x-axis and y prime be y-axis and O be the origin. We know this because this type of math we have solved in before class from 6. Okay, and the graph of sine x will be like this. Okay, at first you have to put the points on the graph paper, and by joining the points with free hand you will get a curve. This is a graph of sine x, and you have also some language will be written fixation of a scale. That's mean one small division along the x-axis. That's mean along this axis equal to 10 degree. That's mean one small square. This equal to 10 degree. 10 degree. That's mean 2 makes 20 degree. 3 makes 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree. Like this way you have to write another. Okay, and 10 small divisions along y-axis this equal to 1. That's mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This up to 10, this equal to 1. Clear everyone? And the above points are plotted on the graph paper according to the scale chosen. That's mean according to this scale, joining the plotted points in the shape of a curve with the help of free hand. The graph of y equal to sine x is drawn. This is a required graph of sine x. Clear everyone? Now follow another problem. Solve graphically. Sin 2x minus sin x is equal to 0 when x greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2 pi. So here the angle given in radian, so we have to use radian. Remember this. Given that this is equal to 0 or sin 2x is equal to x, let y equal to sin 2x is equal to sin x. Therefore we can write y is equal to sin 2x, comma y is equal to sin x. That's mean we have to draw two graphs for y is equal to sin 2x and y is equal to sin x. Same language, and make a table. Here you have to use radian, but before math I used degree. Here will be radian because the range is in radian. Okay, pi by 18. Pi by 18 mean 10 degree because pi is equal to what? Pi is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree divided by 8. 18 mean 10 degree. But you have to use this. You have to use 2 into pi by 18. Pi by 18 mean 10 degree. But you have to write pi by 18 because here range is pi. That's mean in radian. Remember this. And by using calculator you will find the value. Okay. Now follow next same language, and the graph will be like this. Here two graphs, one is sine 2x and another one is sine x. These two graphs intersect each other at this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point, and the function is given sin 2x minus x this equal to 0. Here is no y. That's mean you have to find the value of only x. No need to y. Because the given function sin 2x minus x this equal to y. But for easy to calculate, we let y is equal to sin 2x, comma y is equal to sin x. Okay. We have to find the value of only x. That's mean this point, this point, this point, this point, this point. This point mean here include abscissa and ordinate both. So you have to take only abscissa, only abscissa, only abscissa, only abscissa, only abscissa. Abscissa of this point will be what? Here, how many small division or small square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. That means 6. 6 means 6 into is small division. That means small square. This equal to pi by 18. So 6 into pi by 18. This equal to what? 6 and 18 cut will be pi by 3. Clear? And this point count 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's mean 18. And is small division. Is small division. This equal to pi by 18. So 18 into pi by 18 will get only pi. That's mean this point will be pi. And this point will be what? Count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's mean 30 into pi by 18. Because small division this equal to pi by 18. So 30 into pi by 18 this equal to what? 5 pi by 3. 30 and 18 there is a common 6. So 5 pi by 3 and this point is 2 pi. Clear? Here is mentioned. So the required solution will be pi by 3. Sorry, here will be 0, here will be pi by 3, here will be pi, here will be pi by 3 and here will be 2 pi. Clear? Now follow a scale pi by 18. That's mean 10 degree pi by 18. We will use this because given range is in radian and 10 small divisions along y-axis this equal to 1. The graph are drawn and we will get abscissa of this point of intersecting. That's mean abscissa of intersecting points are this. Clear? I explained from the graph. Therefore the required solution 0, pi by 3, pi, 5 pi by 3, 2 pi. This is the required answer. Clear? Here especially two types of math are given. One is like as 1 number and 2 is like is 2 number. Okay, that's been solved graphically and find the graph of sin x or tan x or cot x or cos x. These two types of math are discussed in this exercise. So I think that everybody will solve the others math. Just you have to keep time. Okay. So homework 6B all. Solve properly and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 5/10/2020, time 7 p.m. Today up to this. Thank you. Thank you to all everyone. Goodbye.